this data is, in our belief, is good enough for a partner to take the baton off our hand, and we could see a monetizing event for us. In addition, from a regulatory point of view, it is also decision grade, where this data can support a already planned end of phase 2 meeting with the FDA.
Welcome back inside our Proactive newsroom, and joining me now is Dr. Raza Bakari. He is the CEO of Medicus Pharma. And Dr. Bakari, good to see you again. How are you?
Thank you so much, Steve, for having me back on your program.
Yeah, so exciting news out from the company reporting positive phase 2 results. These are top line results of your phase 2 study. So let's take a step back and remind everyone a little bit about the study and what it was designed to do.
Thank you again, Steve. Yes, indeed, we couldn't be more excited to what we have shared pre-market today. The top line findings of our phase 2 study, a proof of concept study for use of our uniquely designed patent protected microneedle arrays that come out of Carnegie Mellon and University of Pittsburgh, where we have been focused on bringing to market a novel non-invasive treatment for non-melanoma skin diseases, particularly basal cell carcinoma. And the findings today demonstrate that these needles work, especially in the 200 microgram cohort. We saw 73% of clinical clearance and more than 40% of histological clearance or complete response. So which by any measure is positive and decision grade.
Yeah, and maybe you can talk to me about the decision grade, because I think that was a key part of the news release as well, and what that means.
So Medicus Pharma, as your viewers know, and if I could remind, it has our business mandate is to focus on pursuing select phase 2 studies, get them through a proof of concept, and position them for a partnering conversation with bigger players to do post late stage development and commercialization. So this data point or data set is decision grade in the sense that, number one, we have now adequate and sufficient data to accelerate our ongoing partnering conversation. This data is, in our belief, is good enough for a partner to take the baton off our hand, and we could see a monetizing event for us. In addition, from a regulatory point of view, it is also decision grade, where this data can support a already planned end of phase 2 meeting with the FDA to finalize what a pivotal study design should look like. And based on what we have seen, it seems that we believe that the FDA would agree with us that the pivotal study should focus on the 200 microgram patch, and also the excisional time set should be day 57 post last treatment application. So in both ways, this is the decision grade.
Right. And then there'll still be more data coming out as well. I mean, as I mentioned, this is top line data, so there's still more data to be coming out. Is that correct?
Yeah, with the clinical study report, there will be additional data sets, especially around the safety profile, which we believe is quite pristine, will become available, and also the subset of the PATH report findings, what is the level of biological activity that is still active, or it is culminating to a completion. All of those things will come out, but we do not believe that that will materially change the outcome of what we have stated
Okay.
in this, shown in this top line results. So the letter is more so technical and information,
Yeah.
but strategic information that we have shared today is going to set the stage for the next steps, and what we believe is bringing us one step closer to bringing a non-invasive treatment alternative, which we believe should be a unicorn in the making.
Yeah, and lastly, just that next step, the key one is really with the FDA, right? That's sort of get that meeting with the FDA. That's really the next logical step here.
The next logical step is twofold. Not only to set up the steps for an planned end of phase 2 meeting,
Right.
but to finalize what we hope a strategic partner to take the baton from our hand, and we can see an inflection point, and what we hope could be a monetizing event for us.
All right, we'll leave it there. Dr. Bakari, thank you so much. Really great information as always, and look forward to our next conversation, okay?
Thank you so much, Steve. Always a pleasure to be with you.
All right, Dr. Raza Bakari, the CEO of Medicus Pharma.